So we got a 2021 Chevy Z71 Trail Boss, I think. Yeah, Trail Boss. Yeah, really nice truck. All decked out. I like these trucks. Anyways, it's got factory converters there and there as usual. Then they don't come with a third converter no more. So everybody smile and like that comments. Yay! Anyways, so he ordered the kit through Chevy. This is the Chevy's way of a performance kit. It's called the BORLA Touring Edition. They make it just for the Chevy dealership, I guess. I don't know if you can order it online or not. We'll see if we can get you a kit, a price for it, I mean. But it goes from this joint all the way back 3-inch. And then you get this massive, and it's massive, muffler, like 3 hands full, and my hands are huge. See that, guys? And then it wides out. And when they put it on, it didn't fit right, so that he brought it to us. And we fixed it for him. We had to do a little minor tweaks here and there to make it fit. And it comes with quad tips right there and right there, as you guys can see. So there it is. There, how it looks under there. That's where it wides out. It wides out of the muffler. Comes out on this side, there. And then it goes down and over. It's all right. I've seen better. Well, I'm not gonna say anything. I just did. 2021 Chevy Silverado Z71. Really beautiful blue color. Really beautiful truck. 5.3 liter V8. Is it the 5.3 or 6.2? 5.3. Yeah, 5.3 liter V8. Really nice truck. Only got 800 miles on it. And you know, he's a fellow exhaust guy, so he hates it quiet, which I don't blame him. There's the stock converters there and there. Then it wides into a single. Then it don't have the dreaded third cat no more, which is beautiful. That's what we want to see, so we can true dual lease now. The 2021s. So that, keep that in mind, guys. We can true dual lease. 3-inch pipe. And then he brought his own FLOWMASTER Super 40 series, part number 953047. We'll leave a link in the description if we find it for Amazon. There it is. Look at those welds. If you don't think these welds are beautiful, come show me something better. FLOWMASTER 4 Super 40. And then it duals out, stock duals. And then it's got these. These are Chevy's way of resonators. They're like sifters, kind of, on this side and this side. So, and then it's got built-in tips into the valence, the rear valence or diffuser right there. Let you guys hear it in a second. And make sure, guys, please subscribe. Because without you guys, we can't keep making these videos. So subscribe and like, please, if you like this app. 2019 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter V8. Really beautiful silver. Ooh, I like the silver on these, actually. It looks really good with the front end. It actually offsets the front end a little bit. Anyways, what we got on it, stock converters there and there. Then it winds into a single. Then it don't have the dreaded third cat. Heck yeah. So it's going to sound good. Then we got 2.5-inch pipe, or actually 3-inch pipe. Sorry, guys. 3-inch pipe all the way. Then we did a muffler delete right there. And put 3-inch pipe in its place. And then it's got those stupid Chevy designed baffles, they call them now. Or resonators, patches. Whatever you want to call them, they're ugly. Anyways, it's got 3 of them on this one. So it'll quiet it down drastically. So we need to, so on the new ones, you have to cut these damn tailpipes off and put another tailpipe. That's why, what do we do always, Tim? Yep. Dual it out. To get rid of the cancer of quietness. The cancer of quietness, that's a good one. Anyways, there's the muffler we cut off. You always want to cut off this baffle right here, or valve, whatever you want to call it. because it rattles when you when you do a muffler delete. And as always, guys, please subscribe for more and more content. Hope you guys like it. We'll let you hear it in a second. That's what it sounds like. It's throaty. I like it. Sounds good. Let you guys hear. Give it sound decibels. About 92, 93. It doesn't look half bad. I like the dual tips on it. It's growing on me. BORLA Touring Edition. So that's the ones that GM gets, or Chevy, when you order a special performance kit for it, for the truck. That's what they'll get to put on. It's a BORLA Touring. Not bad. Let you guys hear on the inside. Those flaps make it quiet though. Yeah, those resonators. Again, that's Super 40 FLOWMASTER Chevy Silverado Z71 RST 5.3 liter. And you guys always want to cut. You always want to cut that flap off also, because if you don't, it rattles real bad. So you wanted just a nice deep tone. That's perfect. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Again. So right at 99.7. That's not that bad. So that means it's not going to drone too much, right, you know, inside. Is that exactly what you were looking for?
Yeah, that works.
All right.
That's loud, you can still hear it.
Yeah. Wanted it to sound like a truck, but not too loud. There it is, Chevy Silverado. Again, let you guys hear on the Chevy Silverado muffler delete, 2019 5.3. See how those baffles give it a really different sound. Here's sound decibels, go ahead. And bro, we can true duel this one. There's no cat. There's no third cat. So whenever you're ready, just holler back at us. There's that muffler we cut off, guys, again. Chevy Silverado. What do you guys think? It sounds pretty good. Again, we'll let you guys hear on the inside. The BORLA Touring Edition. That's their Chevy's performance package, part of it, and then an intake comes in too. They put an intake on it. Not bad. Yeah, really nice. Got the LED headlights. Really nice truck. Here we go. Oh yeah, that sounds good. Not too loud. I like it. Do it. Go ahead, Jeff. Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter V8. So if you guys want one, get with a 2019. They don't come with the third cat, so you can do a cat delete on it. I mean, not a cat delete, sorry. True dual system on it. Because it don't have that third cat. Woo-hoo! That sounds good. Hope you guys like it.